Good day and welcome back to the Microsoft Windows 10 Operating System Basics course. And in today's video, we will continue from where we stopped, and that is we will talk about managing your Windows account. We'll simply show you how you can put a password to your account, and so that when people want to use your laptop and log in into your computer, they need to know your password. And then we will show how you can lock your computer, which means instead of leaving it and the desktop is on this way, it will go into a mode where after a while you need to be able to log in again with your password. Hopefully that is captured by the video we are using to stream this. And then we will show you the steps on how to hibernate, or this time mostly put your computer to sleep, because hibernating is something that came with previous Windows versions, but I think in Windows 10 you have mostly sleep. So how do you change your Windows account password? So to do that, you can go to Control Panel. So you go to Control Panel by typing Control on the search bar and click on the Control Panel icon, and here you go to user accounts and you can say change account type. Click on it and it shows you the users that are here. Of course, you can always add a new user account if you want. So let's say I want to add a new user account. If I click this, and I can go to adding, let's say, other users. There should be a place where you can add it, family and other users. Add someone else to this PC, and I will wait for this. So the thing is, you need to have a Microsoft account to be able to do that. So I don't remember or know anyone with and their Microsoft account, so I cannot continue at this point. But if, let's say, your friend or your brother, your sister, someone wants to have an account on your laptop which have its own features or attributes that can be used different from yours, you can also allow that if you want. So I will click cancel, but that's, at least you know how to add additional accounts. So let's close the settings and we come back to your own account. Now if you want to add a password here, you click on this particular account. So I click on it, and we've shown in a video that you can change the account name and it can go from Fredometer to another name you want, but in this video you can change or create a password. So if I click create a password to see what is the new password, and I can just enter the password I want. So, and I can say create password. So when I create password, that means the moment I go out of my computer and the screen goes into sleep mode or anything, it means to be able to see my desktop or start using anything, I need to log in with that password. And hopefully we will try that with some other actions that we will do in this video. So that's how you can change your password, and you can go back to the settings. So let's close Control Panel. So that's basically how you can do with password. And the next thing is locking your computer. Locking your computer simply means using Control Alt Delete key. So if I will pull up a document, for example, so you have to use Control plus Alt plus Delete key. So these three keys you have to press together, starting with Control, and you can lock your computer. And we're going to try this. Hopefully we can capture this on the video so that you can see it, because the way it behaves is such that because we're recording within our own laptop as well, and if you're trying to lock the screen and go out of your desktop, then we'll see whether the video is still capable of showing you this. So I'm going to go ahead and press Ctrl Alt Delete. So I have Control, I have Alt, and I press Delete. The screen goes out, and I should see a blue screen, or at least a screen with some options like lock, switch user, sign out, change password, and task manager. Now if I want to lock my screen, I will simply click lock. So now I click lock and I see a nice display on my screen with the date and time. And if I want to come back to my desktop, I will have to click on the screen. Then it will ask me for my password, which I will type. I type the password that I used, and I can see if it is correct by clicking this. I don't know if you see it, but if you don't see it, you should try it on your own computer. But there is an I symbol when you type your password. You can click on it and to see whether you type the correct thing, and you can click the arrow button next to it which says submit. So now I'm back on my desktop, and so this is how you lock your computer using Ctrl or Delete. Choose the option lock, and it goes away from your desktop, showing you a nice background with date and time, and you can log in back by clicking on the desktop on the screen and enter your password and click submit, or the arrow button next to the box you type your password. And the final thing we will show you on this video is how you can hibernate or put your computer to sleep. So if you want to walk away from your computer to go do other things, it's important that you can put your computer in a mode that it reserves or conserves the battery usage. So you can put it to sleep, which means it's using less power. So to do that, I will go to Start, and I will go to the power button here. If I click on it, I have a number of options, and one of them is sleep. So it says the PC stays on but uses low power, and you can read the information. I go back in again. So and app stays open, so when the computer is turned on, the apps come up again. So I will not click it here because it will practically almost try to switch off everything in a mode that I may not be able to come back with the video. So I will leave it out and click outside, but at least you know how this works now. Okay, so this marks the end of this particular video, and in the next video we will do the rest of the topics. Thank you.